House Again Original Sturdy Steamer Basket for 3 or 5 quart pressure cooker, 18/8 stainless steel steamer insert with silicone covered handle, great accessory for steaming vegetables, fruits, eggs. Useful accessory to Instapot, perfect steamer basket for veggies, hard-cooked eggs. You can also use it for fast straining when you are making bone broth and stocks. Sturdier and easier to clean than the wire basket. All the parts including the handle, steamer insert and the trivet are made of quality 18/8 stainless steel. Dishwasher safe, easily cleaned and no retained odors. Larger capacity, designed to make full use of the available space. Fits 3 or 5 quart instant pot, as well as other larger electric pressure cooker. 2 cm trivet are high enough to keep above the water. White and holey baskets allow more ways for steam to penetrate the basket, easy to steam food evenly. Silicone covered handle and legs make removal easy and safe. The silicone part is 100% BPA free and food grade. Note the black silicone sleeve on both ends of the handle is used to prevent scratching during transportation. Please remove it before use for better installation into the hold. 100% money back guarantee, 100% satisfaction guaranteed and friendly customer service. Please contact us when you get the defective products. Refund and replacement will be offered with no question asked. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.